Claude Agents allow you to effectively monitor all the sub-agents, all the agents that are running on your machine. You can dip in. It will tell you whether something's needs your attention or anything like that. We should just show you.
Cmd+AI.
So it looks like this. Go away, UI. You can see at the top here. You can at the top here, you've got needs input. You can dip in and just have a look what's going on and dip out and then go to your other agents, see what they're up to and just go through them, tells you what's completed. Really nice way of managing all your agents, especially if you've got different agents doing different things, running on different work trees, running on different projects. It's a welcome feature. But again, this removes developer tools like Tmux. You know, so I think it's a byproduct of then locking down what you can and can't do with Claude, because Tmux will allow you to effectively have an agent view. I'm not sure how it technologically it does it, but yeah, it might be that they're trying to lock down any sort of outside interactions with Claude code, or but you know, that whole thing that we spoke about. If you're running a task or whatever, you can just send it to the agent view by typing /bg whilst it's doing a bunch of stuff. It's quite nice. I was having to play just before the show, and I was able to again spin up an agent doing some stuff in one project /bg, go to another project /b. You know, it's good that you can work across multiple projects. It's not bound to the specific folder that you're in. It's literally its own little interface. So it's pretty darn cool. So each of these, if you're running something, you can just do /bg, and then in another tab, another warp tab, just type Claude Agents, and then you'll just be able to see all of the agents that are running. Let's move on, because I think we've spoken all we can about that. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.